TotalBoat Laminating Resin is the ideal polyester resin for boat construction, molded parts, structural repairs, and projects that require multiple layups. This low viscosity resin is excellent for wetting out fiberglass and reinforcement fabrics, or it can be thickened with adhesive fillers for increased viscosity, making it a great choice for structural bonds. Since it doesn't air dry, it allows for a stronger chemical bond between coats. To catalyze laminating resin, use the included MEKP at an approximate ratio of 2% by volume. You can vary the amount of MEKP used to suit your environment. TotalBoat laminating resin can be applied with a spreader, resin roller, or chip brush, and it bonds with other polyester resins, woods, and metals. TotalBoat laminating resin will remain tacky until it's deprived of air. In order to cure, you can overcoat with TotalBoat Finishing Resin or TotalBoat Gelcoat with wax. Additionally, you can vacuum seal your part or add a wax additive to the resin. TotalBoat Laminating Resin offers a reliable, easy-to-use solution for creating strong, durable fiberglass laminations with excellent bonding and wet-out properties.